Title: Arrays and Linked Lists. Welcome back to our course on data structures and algorithms. In this topic, we'll be exploring two of the most fundamental data structures, arrays and linked lists. Arrays and linked lists are both ways of storing collections of data in a computer program, but they have some important differences. Arrays are a fixed-size block of memory that stores elements of the same data type. They offer constant time access to any element, but inserting or deleting elements can be expensive if the array needs to be resized. Linked lists, on the other hand, are a dynamic data structure that uses nodes to store elements. Each node contains the data and a reference to the next node in the list. Linked lists offer fast insertion and deletion at any position, but accessing an element in the middle of the list requires traversing the list, which can be slow. We'll start by looking at arrays in more detail. We'll discuss how arrays are implemented in memory, how to access and modify elements, and how to perform common operations like sorting and searching. We'll also look at some of the limitations of arrays and when they may not be the best choice for a particular problem. Next, we'll dive into linked lists. We'll discuss the different types of linked lists, including singly linked lists, doubly linked lists, and circular linked lists. We'll learn how to traverse a linked list, insert and delete nodes, and perform common operations like sorting and searching. Throughout this topic, we'll be comparing and contrasting the strengths and weaknesses of arrays and linked lists, and discussing when each one is the best choice for a particular problem. We'll also be exploring some real-world applications of these data structures, such as in database systems and web applications. So if you're ready to explore the world of arrays and linked lists, let's get started.